liking my videos. To get the notification of new videos, please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon. Okay. So today we will discuss on an amazing topic, that is coordinate bond. First, we will know what is coordinate bond. The bond formed between two atoms by a pair of electrons provided internally by one of the combining atoms is called the coordinate bond. And the compound formed due to this coordinate bond is called the coordinate compound. Okay, we can take example like ammonium ion, NH4 plus, NH4 plus, hydronium ion, H3O plus. Okay. Now come to the conditions for formation of coordinate bond. At first, one of the two atoms must have one lone pair of electrons. Like we can take water molecule. Here, if we see that, we can see that OH. We all know oxygen has 6 electrons in their in its valence shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and hydrogen has 1 electron. 1. So these two combined at these two electrons made one covalent bond. And here also, so there are two electrons left, that is not, that didn't took part in the bond formation. These two electrons are called lone pair electrons. So what is the condition? One of the two atoms must have one lone pair of electron. At least one lone pair electron should have. Okay, so oxygen, here are two atoms, oxygen and hydrogen. Oxygen, we can see oxygen has two lone pair of electrons. So what is lone pair electrons? The electrons that doesn't take part in the bond formation is called lone pair of electrons. Lone pair of electrons can take part in the formation of coordinate bond also. Okay. Second point is, another atom should have sort of at least a lone pair of electron. Like we can take example H plus ion. Okay. Hydrogen atom has one electron in its outermost shell, that is valence shell. H plus ion means there is no electron. Okay. So if H plus ion want to attain stable electronic configuration, that is the electronic configuration of an inert gas, the nearest inert gas is helium. Okay. So helium has two electrons. Helium has two electrons. So H plus ion needs two electrons to attain stable configuration. So means one lone pair of electron is needed. So another atom should have short of at least one lone pair of electron. So H plus ion is fulfilling this criteria. So H plus ion combines with H2O molecule and forms H3O plus ion. Okay, that is hydronium ion. We can also explain coordinate bond as the bond formed between an ion and a polar covalent compound molecule or compound with one or more lone pair of electrons. Okay, a coordinate bond has both the character of covalent bond and ionic bond. So we can call coordinate bond as the coionic bond. Another thing, here if we see this example, here oxygen molecule has lone pair. Okay, oxygen molecule is giving the electrons to H plus to form H2O plus, and here we can call this oxygen atom as donor atom, and H plus ion, that is accepting the lone pairs, can be called as acceptor atom. Okay. So come to the example. So at first is ammonium ion, NH4 plus. Okay. At first we will see how NH4 plus is formed. NH3 ammonia plus H plus, that forms NH4 plus. Okay. If we see the structure of NH3, NH. Nitrogen has 5 electrons in its outermost cell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hydrogen has 1 electron in its outermost cell. So these are forming covalent bond, and we can see that there is one lone pair electron. Okay, one lone pair of electron. Okay, so here nitrogen atom is the donor atom, and H plus atom means H plus is acceptor atom. So we can see that in two electrons lone pair and hydrogen, 3 hydrogen, 2, 3 plus H plus molecule, H plus ion, that is forming in here this lone pair is this nitrogen is giving one lone pair to this H plus ion. So here will form a coordinate bond. So sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 plus. Here will be as the whole plus for this H plus ion. Okay. So these are covalent bonds, and this is here this bond, these two electron. This is going to this is coordinate bond. We symbolizes the coordinate bond by this type of arrow sign. So if we write this, we can write nitrogen, these are coordinate bonds, these are covalent bonds, and this is coordinate bond, and as a whole plus. Okay, this is how NH for ammonium ion is formed. Next come to the hydronium ion, H3O plus. The formation of hydronium ion is similar to the ammonium ion. Okay. To look over the formation of hydronium ion, we should focus at first on the formation of water molecule. That is H2O, water molecule. So OH. We all know that there are 6 electrons in the outermost shell of oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there is 1 electron in the outermost shell of hydrogen. So these two are forming covalent bond, and there are 2 pair of electrons that are not participating in the bond formation. These two are lone pair of electron. Okay. Oxygen, we can write water molecule like this. Why? Because water molecule is a polar molecule. Why this is polar molecule? there are electronegativity differences. The electronegativity difference of hydrogen and oxygen is very high. So this is polar molecule. Okay. If we add some a little amount of acid in the water, then there are dipole-dipole interaction between the two polar molecules. Two polar molecules that are, one is water molecule and another is the acid molecule. So there from the acid molecule, one H plus ion from each acid molecule, H plus ion is left, and that H plus ion is added onto this oxygen molecule using the two lone pair. There are two lone pair, but that H plus ion is accepting the one pair of electron. Okay. In the water molecule, as this is polar, so there a slightly positive charge on the H molecule and slightly negative charge on the oxygen molecule. Okay. So we see the formation of H3O, H2O plus acid, HCl. We are taking HCl, strong acid. H2 water, acid molecule, both are polar, and here from here HCl is ionizing in H plus and Cl minus, and this H plus is reacting with this oxygen. Okay, here this oxygen, so H3O plus and Cl minus. This is how H3O plus means hydronium ion is formed. If we see it as schematically, we can see oxygen here, hydrogen. Okay, so there are 6 electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6, hydrogen 1. These two are covalent bond. There are two lone pairs. H plus is coming here. These two electrons means one lone pair is participating in the formation of coordinate bond. So here between oxygen and H plus, one coordinate bond is forming. So it is in the case of in the acid medium. If now we are considering, we will discuss about the self-ionization of water and formation of hydronium ion. Okay, in case of self-ionization of water, self-ionization of water. Okay, self-ionization of water. In the case of self-ionization, water, there are only in the medium there are only water molecules. Water molecule is ionizing itself in H plus and OH minus. Okay, and this H plus is forming coordinate bond with another H2O molecule, and H2O plus molecule is forming. So another H2O molecule plus this H plus. This is how H2O plus molecule is forming. So we can, if we see an overall equation, H2O plus H2O, from one water molecule H plus ion is coming and reacting with another water molecule. So H3O plus, and from one water molecule OH minus ion is remaining. So OH minus. This is how H3O plus molecule is forming. Now if we see that how OH minus ion is forming. In water is self-ionizing, self-ionization is happening. So from there OH minus is forming. Okay. So this is the end of this topic. Hope you are enjoying my videos. And to get DPPE practice sets, you can join my Google Classroom via the link given in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos. Hope these videos are helping you guys. So see you on my next video. Bye bye.